Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why I just bought Rumble stock. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about investing, money management, trading, I do have a course that offers videos, lectures, quizzes, a chat room, all of that good stuff. And all of that is the cost of less than a cup of coffee. So make sure you guys check that out. So starting off of what is Rumble. So Rumble is a video, it's a video community. It's very, very similar to YouTube. Now the difference between the two is Rumble is a free speech and you're not controlled by the company, right? You're not controlled by Rumble to post whatever you want. Comparing it to YouTube, you can get demonetized, you can get canceled, you can get your account literally just taken away. So we've almost seen a turn of people going to Rumble, and some of those people, Andrew Tate is using Rumble, Steve Will Do It is using Rumble, and the 44th president, Donald Trump, is using Rumble. So definitely right now we're seeing a shift in these influencers that want to say what they want to. They say what they want to say, but they can't post it on YouTube. And when they post it on YouTube or other social media sites, it gets banned, canceled, and people will go on and they will pretty much report it and then it gets taken off. So Rumble is a free speech site, which is really cool to see. And on top of that, you can get paid for it, right? There's ads on there. They offer very, very similar payout with paying out their influencers like YouTube does. So let's look at the chart, right? So looking at the chart, you'll notice where the stock has gone from $10 to $17, right? Right in here. This is where they merged these two companies together, Rumble and the other company that actually pretty much took it public, I guess is the best way to say it. So the company went from about $10 to $17, and then it fell down to this $11 mark. Now, you'll notice that this $11 mark just has a tendency to get a lot of support. So we got buying pressure several times each time at that $11 mark, right? It hit it several times. And right now, we're hitting this price point of $11.76. So for me looking at it, I'm thinking, okay, I can hop in at this $11, buy it on a support line, and possibly sell it up here at 13 with the resistance right here. So I definitely think on a swing trade outlook, Rumble carries a lot of potential, but the reason I'm investing in it is because it carries just a lot of long-term outlook. And I understand the company is worth right now $3.4 billion, which is so much money for a company that makes $0, right? The company is not profitable, but they do just carry that long-term outlook. Very, very similar situation on why I bought into DWAC, but it's down now. I also bought in, to other companies very similar to Rumble, but the difference between this is we're seeing a shift in these influencers going to the site, and I definitely think it's a high risk, high reward play. I'm keeping it under 2% of my portfolio size. So what that means is for every $100 I have invested into other stocks, assets, bonds, all that stuff, I'm putting $2 into this. It's not much, but the beauty of it is if the stock pops up, you always can buy more and you have shares to make money. And if the stock sells off down to $5 or $2, you're only out 2% of your portfolio, which is virtually nothing. So it's kind of a win-win because you have shares. And I'm going to be just doing dollar cost averaging because it's a great way to invest into these growth stocks that carry a little more volatility, with it going up and down at some pretty rapid rates. So buying in weekly basis, right now I'm going to do a big lump sum at about $11.72 just because we established that support right there. Hopefully we get a push up to 13. You could possibly swing trade this, and hopefully, in the next couple of weeks we see another high again. That would be really, really cool. But I understand right now is just a tough time to invest. We have the S&P 500 down over 25%. We're seeing just a lot of these growth stocks just get obliterated. So a company, like Rumble that is actually doing pretty decent on the year, if we go ahead and we look at that year-to-date return, you'll notice it's up 5% comparing it to the S&P 500, which is down 25%. So it's better to invest in Rumble right now. Looking at it, on the growth side than the S&P 500. But I'm still keeping it high risk, high reward. So that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.